What the fuck? What is going on in this mountain? What? What? This game just had girls with horns. What the fuck? You barely saved me. I didn't ask you to save me. Oh god. Shh. Better fear me. Make way. Spread. Spread as I walk.
The sisters said you would come. They saw you arrive in the water's surface. They did not see the girl. But she is with you, is she not?
Here she's here. And what? What you gonna do?
Both here.
Where is the girl?
Doesn't matter. You'll never get her.
Shit, you wanna fight me?
You
What the fuck? Oh, he's from the keep. Okay. Okay, let's... Before he kicks my ass, I'm vaping Griffin by Colossus Vapes. I don't know if you can see that, but there it is. Griffin. It's like a roasted coffee. It's good. Alright, time to fight. Nope. Oh, okay, he's strong. I heard that whoosh. Take that though. Okay, he just ate it. He just fucking ate it. Nope. Nope. Shit. Oh, shit. Okay, he hits hard. I'll be fine. I don't need to save. I'll be fine. Nope. Shit. Okay. He just fucking eats it. Aha. Try this though. Northern wind. Froze your ass. Oh! He didn't get frozen. Alright. But I froze the shield. Alright, time to use Superior Swallow. Oh, shit!
Not bad.
Come on. Come on. Oh, shit! Okay. Oh, shit! You can fucking teleport too. Okay, I need something. Trap? Nope. Step to his trap. Oh, he just fucking teleported out of it. Wait, don't I have flaming arrows? I guess I don't. Okay. Do I have anything against this guy? Don't think I do. I have some bombs. I do have bombs. Let's do that. Let's do that. Oh shit! Okay, he's wrecking it. He's fucking wrecking me. Superior Swallow. Oh. Take that, bitch. Blinded. Nope. Nope. No. He's fast with that. Blinded. I see you. You trying to taunt me? Nope. Come on, disappear. Disappear. Nope. Fuck. Shit. Okay, first of all, my health is... Am I poisoned? I think I am. I think I am. Let's use that. Oh, my secret weapon. Fried chicken. Alright, there we go. Can't beat that. Look, it's wide open. Nope. Yes. Come on, fried chicken, kick in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, I got one more piece of fried chicken left. Nope. Nope. Shit. Don't teleport. Nope. He's way too slow. Nope. Fucker. Wait, what the hell just happened? Why can't I move? Oh! Fucking froze me. Oh shit! Okay, he took a shit. Okay, he's pissed. Nope. Oh, idiot. You tired, aren't you? Nope. Shit. He wrecked me. He fucking wrecked me. Where do I start back from? Okay.
It's at the summit.